so happy that I get to be like blah, blah, that I get to be like a smiley face. I'm an emoji. Everybody look at me. 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 Everybody can be an emoji except for me. And I'm leaving the link in the description if you wanna become an emoji too. Ooh. Whenever I do that, I get this like weird tingly feeling in like my legs, and it's like, ooh. Oh my god, it feels so good. You should do it. Just like be really, really low pitched and just do that one solid key like this. Ooh. But lower than I'm doing it because it speeds up your voice, and by speed up I obviously mean it makes your voice more high pitched, and it does also speed it up a bit, but not as much because I'm actually talking really, really fast right now, and it's just like every other time I've done this, it's been like talking in the background because I was just watching TV and I just uploaded those things, but now I'm uploading a new one, and it's this, and it's, oh my god, I think I'm gonna do my vlogs like this more because like, oh my god, it's just amazing, and this counts as a vlog to me at least, so peace to the world. Woo!